think you're doing diamond push-ups correctly. Here's a truth most people never hear until it's too late. The majority of people who attempt diamond push-ups are not building stronger arms. They're quietly overloading their shoulders, wrists, and elbows without realizing it. This exercise has a reputation for being advanced. So when it feels uncomfortable or painful, people assume that discomfort means progress. But what if I told you that pain during diamond push-ups is not a badge of honor, but a warning sign? The real question you need to ask yourself is this: are your diamond push-ups actually training your triceps? Or are they slowly breaking your joints down rep by rep? Most mistakes don't come from laziness. They come from misunderstanding. People see diamond push-ups online, copy the hand shape, and jump straight into reps without understanding how the body is supposed to move as one connected system. The biggest issue is that people focus only on the hands and completely ignore what the rest of the body is doing. The hips sag, the elbows flare, the neck cranes forward, and suddenly the exercise becomes a messy combination of shoulder strain and wrist stress. What makes this dangerous is that the movement still looks like a push-up, so the brain thinks everything is fine, while the joints are quietly paying the price. Here's the surprising part. Diamond push-ups are not supposed to feel awkward or unstable. When done correctly, they feel controlled, powerful, and brutally effective on the triceps. If your experience feels shaky and painful, that's not because you're weak, it's because the fundamentals are missing. Let's clear up a major myth. Diamond push-ups are not just a harder version of regular push-ups. Their main purpose is to shift the workload toward the triceps while keeping the chest and shoulders in a supporting role. Think of a regular push-up as a group project where everyone shares the work, while a diamond push-up is a focused solo assignment for your triceps. When done correctly, your arms should feel like they're doing most of the pushing, not your shoulders fighting to survive the movement. This is why diamond push-ups are so popular among athletes, calisthenics athletes, and bodyweight trainers. They build arm strength, elbow stability, and control. But all of that only happens if your body stays aligned and stable from start to finish. Before we even talk about hands, elbows, or reps, we need to talk about your foundation. Imagine trying to build a skyscraper on soft sand. No matter how beautiful the design is, it will collapse. Your core is that foundation. If your core is loose, your arms will never work efficiently. Before lowering yourself even 1 inch, you need to tighten your core as if someone is about to punch you in the stomach. Squeeze your glutes, lock your legs, and create a straight line from your head to your heels. No sagging hips and no sticking your butt up in the air. Your body should move as one solid unit, like a plank that bends only at the elbows. This single adjustment instantly makes the exercise harder in the right way and safer at the same time. Here's a light bulb moment most people miss. When your core is weak, your shoulders try to compensate. And shoulders are not built to stabilize your entire body weight in this position. One of the biggest mistakes people make is obsessing over the diamond shape. They force their thumbs and index fingers together tightly, twisting their wrists into uncomfortable positions. The truth is, the diamond shape is a guideline, not a rule. Your hands should be placed under your chest, not under your face or too far forward. The thumbs and index fingers can touch lightly or stay very close. Comfort comes first. Your wrists should feel neutral, not bent aggressively. If you feel sharp wrist pain the moment you place your hands down, that's your body telling you something is off. Proper hand placement allows you to press through the base of your palm evenly, creating stability instead of strain. This is where most diamond push-ups fall apart. When people lower themselves, their elbows flare outward automatically. This turns the movement into a shoulder-dominant push and places unnecessary stress on the joints. The correct position is to keep your elbows tucked close to your ribs. Imagine your arms sliding alongside your body like doors on a track, not swinging out like open gates. When your elbows stay tucked, your triceps are forced to do their job. Suddenly, the exercise feels harder but cleaner. This small adjustment alone can transform diamond push-ups from a joint killer into a triceps builder. Ask yourself during the movement, do my elbows feel controlled, Or are they flying outward under pressure? The answer tells you everything. Most people rush the lowering phase because they're focused only on pushing back up. That's a mistake. Lowering yourself slowly is where strength, control, and muscle development happen. Take 2 to 3 seconds to descend. Keep your neck neutral, eyes slightly forward, not buried into the floor. Your chest should move toward your hands, not your head diving forward. If you feel pressure in the front of your shoulders while lowering, stop and reset. That pressure is a signal that your alignment is breaking down. Slow down, tighten your core, and regain control. When you push back up, think about driving the floor away from you instead of lifting your body. Exhale as you push, keep your core tight, and avoid snapping your elbows at the top. A powerful mental cue is to imagine squeezing your hands inward, even though they don't actually move. This creates internal tension that lights up your triceps and stabilizes your shoulders. This is one of those subtle techniques that separates average reps from high-quality reps. The movement should feel strong, not rushed. Wrong form usually feels like shoulder pinching, wrist discomfort, shaky movement, and neck tension. Right form feels stable, controlled, and intensely focused in the triceps. The burn should be deep in the arms, not sharp in the joints. During each set, ask yourself where you feel the work the most. Your body gives constant feedback, you just have to listen. If full diamond push-ups feel impossible, that doesn't mean you should quit. It means you should regress intelligently. Perform the movement on your knees, or place your hands on an elevated surface like a bench or bed. You can also shorten the range of motion while maintaining perfect form. Strength is built through quality repetitions, not ego-driven ones. Once your technique is locked in, you can increase intensity without risking injury. Slow down the negative for 4 to 5 seconds. Pause briefly at the bottom, or use diamond push-ups as a finisher after regular push-ups. These small changes increase time under tension and force your triceps to adapt. I've seen people chase harder variations and get nowhere, while others master the basics and completely transform their arms. The difference is consistency and respect for form. Diamond push-ups reward patience. The more you refine your technique, the stronger and safer you become. Your body stays in a straight line, core tight, hands under the chest in a comfortable diamond, elbows tucked close, slow controlled descent, and a powerful but smooth push upward. No rushing, no pain, no cheating. Right now, drop down and try 10 flawless diamond push-ups. Slow, controlled, and focused. Notice how different they feel when everything is aligned. That feeling is progress. Mastering diamond push-ups isn't about doing more reps. It's about doing them better. Stay consistent, stay patient, and keep sharpening your form, because real strength is built through precision, not shortcuts.